Hello students, let's read letter N as a beginning sound. Listen carefully and repeat. N as a beginning sound. Nest, needle, nurse, nib, 9, read, no, new, nail, near, next, note, night, number. Happy learning!